This API is currently running live on render, and in the next few minutes I will show you exactly how to deploy your own Node.js backend from GitHub to render for free. No paid services, no complicated setup. We will deploy it, connect MongoDB, configure environment variable, and get a public URL that you can use in your web and mobile application. Let's begin. The first thing we need GitHub repository. So I'm going to create a GitHub repository, okay? Now I'm going to give a name for the GitHub repository. GitHub repository created successfully. Here you can see the complete source code, including backend, web app, and mobile app. First, we need to push all the code on GitHub. Then I will deploy the backend on render. Okay. So here you can see these commands. So copy and paste in your terminal by cd backend. Then paste this command. First git initialize. So type git init. Then git add. Then git commit. This is showing everything up to dated because I have already pushed the code. Now I am typing git push origin main. Now showing everything up to dated. I'm going to open GitHub, okay? As you can see, all of our files are now available on GitHub, okay? The next step is connect this repository with render. Now let's move to render and deploy our backend. Render provide a free and very simple way to host Node.js application. If you don't have account, then you can create a new account. So I have already created the account. I am going to click on dashboard. Okay. I will create a new web service and connect my GitHub account so render can access the repository. Here I am selecting the repository that contains our backend source code. Here you can see the repository imported successfully. Okay. In the project section, you can select my project. Okay. Here I am selecting the language, okay? You can select language. Since the repository contains multiple folders, so I am specifying the root directory /backend. Here you can see the GitHub repo, the root directory /backend. Here you can enter the build command and start command. The build command install all the project dependencies and the start command is used to run the application. Okay. Now let's add the environment variable. Here I am going to copy all the env from my VS code and I am going to paste. I am going to paste here. Now successfully all the env loaded. Everything is configured. Let's deploy application. Render is now installing dependencies and building the project. Great. The deployment has completed successfully. and our backend is now live on the internet. Let's verify that everything is working correctly by testing the live API endpoint. Now I'm going to take one endpoint for the testing purpose. So here I'm going to take a get API endpoint. So I'm copying from here and paste in the Google search bar and take the render endpoint and paste in the Google search bar and type get API. So here this is a get API. So I am taking the get endpoint. Now the complete endpoint completed. Now enter it. Now API successfully live. You can see the complete data which is come from backend API. If you have any question, then you can ask me. Want a project that actually stand out on your resume? Then take a look at this. I built a production ready e-commerce platform with React website, React native mobile app, AI powered product recommendation, Stripe payments, and a complete admin system. This is the kind of project that helps you showcase real world development skills, stand out in interviews, and build a strong portfolio. Let me show you the complete application in action. The complete source code, including the website, mobile app, and backend, is available through the links in the description.